A good desk isn't just furniture, it's the centerpiece of where ideas happen, where work gets done and where creativity flows. Today I'm showing you my brand new desk setup featuring the Vernal's New Edition Desk. And this one really changed how my workspace feels. Big thanks to Vernal for sponsoring today's video and for sending over this beautiful desk. As always, everything I share is based on my honest experience using the product. Partnerships like this make it possible for me to keep creating high quality content for you, so I truly appreciate your support. Vernal is a premium desk company based in Germany that focuses on one thing, and it does it exceptionally well. High quality standing desks engineered for long-term use. What really stood out to me with this desk is how solid and stable everything feels. Even when fully raised, there is almost no wobble at all. With this new edition, Vernal redesigned the internal frame for real-world stability by reinforcing side connections and increasing the overlapping area between the legs. That means even when the desk is raised, typing or moving your mouse won't cause any distracting wobbles or vibrations. It just feels rock solid. Now let's talk about the spec I went for. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I am a huge fan of walnut furniture. So when my friends at Vernal told me they were releasing a new solid walnut hardwood version of their desk and asked if I would like to try and talk about it, I was all in. And here it is. My desk now has a solid walnut desktop in 160 to 80 centimeters, and wow, it's absolutely stunning. The rich dark tone and the natural wood grain give it such a warm and premium look. What really stands out to me is the finish. It's silky smooth and just feels amazing to the touch. This hardwood version of the Vernal's New Edition Desk should be available already in May. Quick side note for my viewers in Germany and across Europe. You probably know how difficult it is to find a walnut desktop like this. Since walnut wood usually has to be imported from the US or Canada, very few brands offer it here. But now, with Vernal, you finally would be able to purchase it. I think that's a huge win, and I'm genuinely excited for those of you who've been waiting for something like this. And if you're looking for something a bit different and more budget friendly, Vernal also offers their signature laminated desktops in 7 color options and sizes ranging from 120 cm to 200 cm. Prices starts at just $359, which is incredibly competitive considering the build quality and design you are getting. If you're planning to grab a Vernal desk, I've got a little something for you. Use my code YTNK at checkout or click one of the links in the video description for 6% off on your desk setup on top. One thing I really appreciate about Vernal is how well thought out their accessory ecosystem is. Everything is made to match, both in form and function. I added the integrated drawer keyboard tray in solid walnut, and it's honestly one of my favorite parts of the desk setup. It's perfect for tucking away things you're not actively using, keeping your desktop clean and clutter-free. Thanks to the slim profile, you barely notice it there until you need it. And installation is super straightforward, just like setting up the desk itself actually. To round things out, I also added Vernal's solid walnut desk shelf. Not for the monitor itself, since I'm using height adjustable Apple Studio display, but to create an extra layer of usable space and visual balance. By placing the display just behind the shelf, I can take full advantage of the entire surface, perfect for storing accessories, a MacBook, or simply keeping things organized and visually clean. Both accessories are made from the same high quality walnut wood as the desktop, so everything feels unified, premium and built to last. A few fun facts for you. This desk has been tested for over 20,000 lift cycles and it can support up to 120 kg. So yeah, it will lift a full creative setup, no problem. Now let's take a look at the rest of the setup. If you are interested in a more detailed breakdown, feel free to check out one of my previous desktop videos. I will leave a link in the description and also up here on the screen. Good lighting is a key, especially with a dark setup like this. The Heaven One desk lamp mimics natural sunlight with adjustable brightness and warmth, or it can adapt automatically throughout the day. It looks super minimal and blends right into the space, keeping the clean aesthetic while creating a focused workspace. For the tech, I'm using Apple's Studio Display and the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 Max chip. The 5K display is razor sharp with spot-on color accuracy, and the MacBook Pro handles everything from video editing to Xcode with ease. For audio, I'm using Burroughs and Wilkins PX8 headphones. Incredible sound, all-day comfort, and that all-black look. And this is the Mode 65 keyboard, customized with silent tactile switches and a walnut accent that ties everything together. It's built like a tank, feels amazing to type on, and looks just as premium as it feels. It's definitely not for everyone, but if you're after a luxury keyboard experience, this is it. And here I've got the Nomad Base on Max MagSafe charger in black. It's perfect for charging your iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods in just one place, and in the black color version it fits the setup aesthetic perfectly. If you are looking to invest in high-end standing desk that's stable, stylish and built with intention, Vernal's New Edition Desk is a solid choice. This isn't some mass-produced budget desk. It's designed for people who care about their setup and want it to last for years. You can find all the options and accessories via the link in the description, and remember to use my discount code YTNK or click in the link in the description to get 6% off your order. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your dream desk setup looks like in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.